how to create Binance account. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Binance app. Here we go. Over here you can find two options: sign up with phone or email, or continue with Google. You can choose any of the option. Here I'm going to choose the first one, sign up with phone or email. Now you have to fill up this information. Firstly, you have to choose whether you want to use email or phone number. You can choose any of them. Here I will be using my email address. You have to enter your email address. Now you have to create password for your Binance account. After you do that, put tick mark on this small circle box and then tap on create personal account. Now you have to verify your email address that you have just entered. Just minimize this app and open your Gmail. You will be getting verification code from Binance. Just open it, copy this code. Just minimize it and open your Binance app again. Paste it over here and then tap on submit. Your email is verified. Your account has been created. If you want to verify it, you can tap on this option, verify now. Now you have to just tap on continue after you fill up this information. In this way, you can easily create your Binance account. You can see that I have just created mine. I hope now you guys are clear about how to create Binance account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.